What's up, everybody? MasterFuji here, back with another unboxing. This time we have the Logitech G710 Plus mechanical keyboard. Let's get it open. Actually, I should probably talk to you a bit about what the keyboard has. 110 key anti-ghosting, 26 key rollover, has 6 macro keys, that has 3 sets of macros, so technically you can record 18 macros and then switch between the sets of 6. It has a gaming key, which basically turns off your Windows key, so you won't have your Windows menu popping up during, your hardcore gaming sessions. It's also, of course, LED backlit. It's not RGB, but that's cool with me. RGB is a little too flashy for me, although it's cool, but it's not really for me. Um, like I said, this is a mechanical keyboard, and yeah, this is one product I can't wait to open. So let's do it. And get this side. Actually, safety first. Let's put the knife away for now. Of course, guys. Alright. This is actually one of the heaviest keyboards I've ever held. At least in the box, anyways. Maybe there's a lot of accessories, I don't know. But we're about to find out. Alright, guys, here's the inner box. It's just pure black. Has a couple more things I guess we gotta cut here, so let's go ahead and do that. Of course, always use a sharp knife. I say a sharp knife is safer than a dull one. But, what do I know, right? So, let's open the baby up. Oh, there it is, guys. In all its glory. The Logitech G710 Plus. So, in the box, you have, let's see, piece of cardboard. Hey, it didn't hit me this time. And, sorry about that, guys. The keyboard itself with, wow, a very thick, this is a very, very thick cable. 2 USB connectors for whatever reason, we'll find out. And we have user manual, setup guide, and important information. So, whatever. And the only other thing in the box is a palm rest. So, yeah, I guess most of the weight is just the keyboard itself. So, let's set this to the side here and see if we can't get the bag off this. I saw this keyboard in a local shop, actually. I've been looking at it online for a while, but I had never seen one in person. And when I saw it in person, I basically had a nerdgasm, so I actually bought it on the spot. So, yeah. Alright, guys. If I could get my cameraman to come in here a bit and just, give you a nice shot here. We got this excellent keyboard right here. If we go over here, you have some G710 branding. I really like this orange accent. And these are your G keys here. Up here are your macro switching keys, so set 1, 2, 3 and a record button. This is your, sorry guys, this is your gaming key to turn off your Windows button or key. So if you have this on, your Windows key down here won't work. So that's very nice when you're gaming. It won't minimize your game on you. If we go over to this side, it has a nice scroll wheel for the volume up and down, and some dedicated media keys up here. So it looks like we have play, pause, stop, I'm guessing forward and backward. And up here we have some light adjustment keys. So this is a white backlight, guys. And just overall a great look on the keyboard. I'm going to try it out here and let you guys know what I think about it. I tried it in the store and it seemed to be a perfect fit for me right away. And, you know, I can't ask for much more. Let me turn it around here, actually. And I'll get my microphone down here. I don't know if it'll pick it up, but let's see. So, I don't know if you guys can hear that, but for a mechanical keyboard, that's actually pretty quiet. Yeah. Oh, I have no problem typing on it right now. I don't type like proper, but the way I do type, perfectly fine. You don't have to look at it or anything. So, yeah, I can tell I hit all the right keys. I don't know, guys. It's just, for me, it's the perfect fit. Let's check out the palm rest here. Looks like it just clips on. Let's see if we can figure that out here, guys. Okay, so it just slides in from the front like that. Snapped on. You've got a little bit of cable routing here for headphones, I'm assuming. On the back here, you have a little USB, one port USB hub. And then, of course, you have a couple feet to prop the keyboard up. Yeah, there you can see them. And when it's like this, yeah, it's even better like that, actually. Anyways, this is MasterFujiTech. For now, I'm out. I'm going to use this for a few days. We'll come back and do a review video. I can pretty much tell you now that I'm going to love this. We have a Logitech mouse coming, the G710. We'll have a video for that coming up soon. Yeah, guys, thanks for watching. I'm out.